You will need any green or blue notched freezes that are convenient for you. We grind the nail plate in the place where the installation will take place. And prepare the nail. If necessary, we pedicure one toe. We remove excess dust with compressed air, if you need to. Degrease the nail plate with a degreaser. Gently wipe it off. After degreasing the nail plate, we apply the bond. And let it dry for literally 30 seconds in the air, or use a UV lamp for 10 seconds. Once you've chosen the thickness of the titanium filament, the first method is to cut the approximate length and start the installation. We clamp the composite in the cam so that we can remove the excess composite if needed. We make a little ball. This will be enough for the first installation on one side. We add more composite to further strengthen the thread. Dry it again with a UV lamp for 20 seconds. On the other side, where we're going to attach our correction system, we look to see if we have enough length. If the thread is much longer, then we cut a little bit off and fix it. After you have fixed the first time, we apply additional composite for strengthening and make sure that it is on all sides. And dry for the same 20 seconds. The second method. We do not cut the titanium thread. It remains in the uterus, that is, we do not cut the length. We fix it to the nail plate on one side here. Now we fix it, we do the same thing. We fix it again, as in the first variant, exactly the same way. We will additionally reinforce the composite one more time. And once again, we will dry it for 20 seconds. If we have threaded ends sticking out here, we trim it additionally and fix it so that the ends of the titanium thread do not stick out. After installing the correction system, I advise you to check it now while your client is here. You take it and check it. How thoroughly is it fitted? Pull it and try to get it off. It has to be fastened thoroughly. Ours is fixed well. Great. We take a picture from the top and a picture from the back so that we can trace it in the dynamics. Fixing the nail with a titanium thread is an effective and minimally invasive method for treating ingrown and deformed nails, helping to restore the normal shape and growth of the nail plate and eliminating discomfort. Just take a look at the before and after results. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Also, in the comments, we answer questions on podiatry so that your feet were always healthy and beautiful.